everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is for all the non-Kannadiga students living in Bangalore. Many of you are struggling to learn Kannada and are put under pressure to learn it as there is a three-language system being imposed for both. So in this module, we'll understand and enjoy the process of learning this easy language. And this is our schedule, day 1 to 10. So I have four phases of learning here. Day 1 to 10. Learn the basics including alphabets and numbers. So we will be learning the basics of Kannada, which is alphabets, numbers, and reading and writing of all those. Day 11 to 20. 2 and 3 letter words and basic sentences. We will learn 2 and 3 letter words from these alphabets, and basic sentences we'll be learning, that is simple sentences. Day 21 to 25, we will be learning the basic grammar, which is nouns, pronouns, and things. And day 26 to 30, we will be learning the applications, revisal, and testing. Applications in the sense, where do we apply these sentences, how to speak. This is basically related to our everyday life. And revisal and testing. I will release sample modules during this period. So now we'll move on to the first phase, which is the phase of basic learning. So this phase will continue for 10 days, that is day 1 to day 10. Okay, so in this phase we'll be learning about alphabets and numbers. Today is day 1 and we'll be learning about vowels. So under alphabets we'll be learning about vowels. I'll give a quick introduction about the alphabets of Kannada and then we'll move on to the vowels. So vowels are called Swaragalu in Kannada. Introduction. There are 49 letters in this language. So in Kannada, overall there are 49 letters. We will see the division furthermore in this video. So the alphabets altogether are known as Varnamale. So the alphabets, including vowels and consonants, that is Swaragalu and Vyanjanagalu, together they form the Varnamale. There is also another division called Yoga Vahagalu, but the basics we'll be learning about Swara and Vyanjana. So here is the division. Swara, Yoga Vahagalu and Vyanjanagalu. Swaragalu are the letters which can be pronounced independently. Yoga Vahagalu are the letters which cannot be pronounced independently. They take the help of Swara and Vyanjana to be pronounced together. So Vyanjanagalu, they also cannot be pronounced independently. Only difference is that they take only the help of Swaragalu to be pronounced. So this is the division. There are 13 Swaras, 34 Vyanjanagalu and 2 Yoga Vahagalu. So overall they sum up to 49. So in this module we'll also be learning about how to improve the handwriting, about reading, writing, and speaking Kannada. So here is one way. There are some patterns with which we can improve our handwriting. So I wish you all to practice this at home. So Swaragalu, under Swaragalu, there are two types. Swaragalu, there are vowels. They can be pronounced independently. Okay. So under them, there are two types. Hrasva Swara and Dirgha Swara. Hrasva means light or less time, and Dirgha means long. Hrasva means less, Dirgha means long. So Swara is vowels. So there are 6 Hrasva Swara and 7 Dirgha Swara. Overall, they sum up to 13. Hrasva Swara. So they, while pronouncing these Swara, they take very less time. See, E, U, Ru, A, O. It takes very less time to pronounce these Swaras. So they are called Hrasva Swara. Hrasva means less. So they take less time. Dirgha Swara. Dirgha Swaras are A, E, U, A, O, I, Ow. So they take long time. So suppose Hrasva Swara takes 1 second, Dirgha Swara takes double the time, 2 seconds. So they take a long time to be pronounced. So that is the only difference, and swaras are categorized based on these two types, Hrasva and Dirgha. The 13 letters. First one is A. So side by side we'll be revising the Hrasva and Dirgha swaras as well. It takes less time to be pronounced, so it is Hrasva swara. Hrasva means less time, remember that. Okay, so one example is Arasa. Arasa means king. Okay, so next is A. Ane. Ane means elephant. It is Dirgha swara. They are stressing more on pronouncing the letter and it is taking a long time. E. E is Hrasvaswara, less time it takes. And E, example is Ili. Ili means rat. E. E for Ishvara. Ishvara means God or Shivji. Okay, so E is Dirghaswara because it takes long time to be pronounced. U. Ugi Bandi. Ugi Bandi means train. So U is U is taking very less time to be pronounced. So it is Hrasvaswara. Oo. Oo's example is Uta. Uta means food. So oo, we are stressing more. It goes like oo. So it is Dirghaswara. Ru. Very less time. Ru. So Hrasvaswara. Ru for example is Rushi. Rushi stands for saint. A. A is Hrasvaswara, taking very less time to be pronounced. Example is LA. LA means leaf. A. AD. AD stands for crab. A. We are stressing more on the pronunciation and the time. So it is taking long time to be pronounced. So A is Dirghaswara. I. Aidala. I. See, we are stressing more. Aidala means hibiscus. So it is I is Dirghaswara. O. O means O. Example is onte. Onte means camel. O takes less time to be pronounced. So it is Hrasvaswara. O. Example Odu. Odu means run. Okay. So O takes long time to be pronounced. So it is Dirghaswara. Au. Ow, we are stressing more on the pronunciation and it takes long time, so it is Dirghaswara. Example, Aushada. Aushada means medicine. So one assignment, that is all for today. So in this video, we concentrated more on the learning part. So day 2 video, we will concentrate on the writing part. Okay. So I want you all to practice the pattern, which is this one. This pattern why I have given is it helps improve the handwriting. For example, this U pattern, which is the first one, helps to improve the handwriting and writing of U letter. Okay, so and practice these letters as well. Practice in the sense I want you to write and practice. So quick recap, what have we learned is Varnamale, we have learned that there are 14 letters, 13 Swara, 34 Vyanjana and 2 Yogavaha. Swara can be pronounced independently. The patterns can improve the handwriting. And 13 Swaras, we learned 6 Hrasva Swara and 7 Dirgha Swara. Finally, thanks for watching. For similar videos, visit us at our channel, which is Shivani and Shruthis Corner. And here's the link. And for further videos or for further similar videos, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and press on the bell button. Thank you and happy learning.